Igbo Bibu mmanụ daalụ. Kedu ka ike si anyanwụ? Ama m na onye ọbụla na ọfụma. Abụ m Nwada Glory Ekene nwere onye nta akụkọ gị n'ime ogbe. N'ụbọchị tata n'ime ogbe, anyị na-eje ngagharị iwe nke a na-akpọ protest n'ọnụ oyibo, nke bụ maka ihe ndị uwe ojii na-eme ụmụnne anyị na ọ dịrọzi mma. Anyị wee sị ka anyị were ohere a wee gaa ngagharị iwe mee protest maka EndSARS. Today bụ nke ndị Anambra steeti. Akwadosigo m ngwa ka anyị gaa.
Man, I'm good and I'm not good.
Afọ for ihe n'aka.
Yes, so.
Kedu ife a na-eme n'ụbọchị tata?
I need protest against SARS. Even down na-eme anyị erike. Ha kpụsịsịgo ụmụnne anyị, our youth. Ndị kwesịrị na-achị obodo, ha na-ekpụsịsịkwa. Kili ife ha melụ. Some of these SARS people, if I na-eme bụ enweta nwa okorobịa, ewepụ ATM ya, napụ ya ego ya niile, ma gbuo ya n'ime ọfịa, bụrụ moto ya jele. Or if I bịalụ. Ha kwesịrị na-aga ya, ndị kwesịrị na-protect anyị na-egbusi anyị egbu. Enough is enough. They fuck to the wrong generation.
Yes.
This generation this kind of thing may it will not continue. They should all ike ka ha dowe egbe ha ka efe anyị one on one.
Afọ m ihe idele si na ọ bụ na ha debe egbe ha. Unu ekpopụsi eze dị n'eze ha.
Ka anyị malụ ndị ya emelinu. Ha jide egbe na-agbagbusi ụmụ mmadụ. For what? They should end SARS. They should end SWAT. End SWAT na scam. End SARS. Police brutality. Everything. Ka ha gbasi ya. I talk at the government. No. Not they go be obego. We are united now, and I believe that the authorities are united. I get win. What if I need?
Dalurianne. Dalwada. Okama no. Kedu ihe nwere ike igwa anyị maka protest a na-eme?
Ihe nwere ike igwu na isi eke na ịma na youth na-ewezi iwe because ndị SARS a emego a lot of harm than good n'obodo abụ Nigeria. like in Lagos now, Lagos, as in a lot of things now happen n'obodo. The other day, mbata, ekwesịrị m iji moto na, but because of SARS na ahụ n'ụzọ obili, asị gị nweta phone, gị nweta good phone, ka esheki onwe ya afọ, akpọ gị ba ime ọfịa, threat gị with ebe, na ị nwetazie ga agbagbu oge onwe ihe ya egwu onwero. So because of that, I have to fly. What na obodo anyị nọ ọdụ osisi for anyị nwa bụ youth. Odi nọ na iwo lesbian, asị gị ka you reason iji wo lesbian. As no onye ọbụla ekwesị anyị eji na akwa baro before ama na before arapụ gị dị free. Outside can see but that place in Sipata I move freely. Na galu inwe problem with police appear to you direct in your house. Ajo guess ke ye melon. Ajo guess. Obulo sase for madi n'ezi afu gi n'ezi ana harass gani. How do you get this? Where's your phone? You don't have iPhone. Like the other day in Ghana, Lagos, I asked me with my phone. I gave them my Nokia for this. Where's your iPhone? I said I don't have iPhone. Is it a must that I will have iPhone? Okay, so you look good. You're supposed to have iPhone. So I end the airline SARS and you need to SARS. I end the airline SARS.
Thank you.
Hello, what can you say about this protest?
Man, this protest is fucking interesting. I'm loving it because this country is getting out of hand. We need to do something. And the unity with the youth is really, really giving me so much joy. I'm so happy to be here today to protest that they need to end SARS. We don't want SWAT. We don't want anything. We need to end everything. We need to end police brutality, SWAT, SARS, every goddamn thing. We need to reform this country. Nigeria needs to be changed by the youth because we are ready for them. If they're not changed, we'll not go green. We'll not go green. We must get what we want. We need freedom. Oh, we don't want SARS. They kill us anyhow. We are not chickens. We are not foul. We need to stand up, and this is the time we need to stand up. We need freedom.
Thank
SARS,
you.
we don't want you. Get out.
Thank you. Okay. What do you have to say about today's protest?
Okay, I just feel like the students, we have had enough already of the whole SARS brutality and police brutality, and basically we're just here to make our voices heard, to let them know that we need them to end these hoodlums, because they're just hoodlums that are going around with guns. So we just want them to end it because they are doing the most.
Enough is just enough.
Yeah, like
basically we're tired.
iPhone
no be gone.
Yes, so like
We
they're
should
deviating,
probably say
like they're deviating from the reason why they were established. So we want them to be abolished.
Abolished. We don't want reform. We want them to be abolished. And that's just
It's not just
who carry iPhone, they just stop you.
one step.
Even my brothers, everybody has a story to tell about SARS. They are doing the most. They're just criminals that they gave guns and they are misusing the uniforms we gave them. So I just hope our voice is going to be heard, and we want them to end it.
our endeavors to come out.
So-
We're tired. Thank you so much.
End SARS.
And SWAT.
Thank you.
If this is your first time coming across my channel, I say thank you so much for coming, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're always welcome. Thank you.